Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Google. We initially published a report on our website on Monday, October 30, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 25, 2023, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.18. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Throughout this time, the stock experienced a loss of -0.73%. This means that on average, it has been losing -0.18% per day since being listed as a sell candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in a wide and weak rising trend. This situation can often present a great buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $123.48 is broken, it would indicate a slower rate of rising and could potentially signal a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected potential change of 3.73% over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between 1.86% and 17.75%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 61.5% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 58.77% and 85.66%. If this projection holds true, the price range after a year could be between $199.65 and $233.47. Our latest daily update for Google brings some positive news: Green Day on Monday for Google. The stock price of Google experienced a gain of 1.9% on the last trading day, Monday, October 30, 2023. It rose from $123.40 to $125.75. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 2.15%, reaching a low of $123.88 and a high of $126.54. It's worth noting that the price has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of -10.49% over this period. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by -12 million shares. In total, approximately 23 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of $2.91 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume when prices are rising can indicate a potential divergence and may serve as an early warning for possible changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for Google was $142.38, while the lowest was $83.45. Currently, the price is 11.68%, or $16.63, below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 95.02%, or $2,401.24, below the all-time high on June 11, 2021, when the price reached $2,526.99. In this video, we will be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Google, the stock ticker for Google. Let's start with the rating given by Needham on Wednesday, October 25, 2023. They have given Google a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to Wednesday, July 26, 2023, Susquehanna reported a positive grade for Google along with a hold action. On the same day, July 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Another notable rating came from JMP Securities on Wednesday, May 24, 2023. They assigned Google a market outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, May 4, 2023, Credit Suisse gave Google a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a closer look at the signals for Google's stock. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 1.9%. This suggests that it may continue to rise until a new top pivot is found. However, it's worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day, despite the increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the stock's performance. There are also some negative signals that have been issued, which could potentially impact the stock's short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, which paints a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the long-term average is currently above the short-term average, signaling a general sell trend. If the stock experiences any upward corrections, it may face resistance at the $130.57 and $135.33 levels. Breakups above these levels, however, would issue buy signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. This adds to the overall negative sentiment surrounding the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has shown a sell signal. Pivots have indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger has provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average has generated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages has shown a buy signal 4 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average has indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average has also given a sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages has shown a buy signal 155 days ago. If you want to find more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google currently has a strong support level at $123.44, which presents a potential buying opportunity. When this support level is tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. In terms of volatility, Google typically experiences average movements throughout the day. With good trading volume, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the stock price moved $2.66 between its high and low points, which accounts for a 2.15% change. Looking at the past week, Google has shown a daily average volatility of 2.3%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Google, let's start by covering some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often seen in well-established businesses with predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Google's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are $1.61. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Google. If the stock shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $126.67. It's important to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position if you don't already own any shares. For those who already have a position, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $123.44. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The consensus rating for Google, according to multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On October 27, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar made an insider buy, acquiring 32,168 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 26, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar conducted another insider buy, purchasing 16,190 shares of Class C capital stock. Interestingly, on the same day, Raghavan Prabhakar also sold 16,190 shares of Class C capital stock. Continuing with insider activity, on October 27, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar conducted another insider sell, this time disposing of 32,168 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 25, 2023, O'Toole Amy Thuner joined in the insider action with a purchase of 850 shares of Class C capital stock. By analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -89.276. In these trades, insiders bought a total of 396,754 shares and sold 7,205,108 shares. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, our assessment is negative. We recommend exercising caution when considering investing in this stock. Is Google stock a good buy? While there may be a positive trend, we have identified several negative signals that lead us to believe Google stock will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, October 31st, we anticipate Google to open down $0.360 and commence trading at $125.39. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions related to securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. We would love to hear your opinion on it. Feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. Additionally, we are curious to know what target you have set for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.